Hey folks, if you've been jumping between clunky code editors and bloated tools, stop right there because Z AI might just blow your mind. Z is built for speed. I'm talking instant load times, buttery smooth performance, and zero lag even with massive files. It's clean, distraction free, and honestly feels like the future of coding. But here's the cool part, it's not just fast, it's smart too. Z comes with built-in AI that works like your coding sidekick. Highlight some code, ask for a refactor or explanation, and boom, it delivers without taking control away from you. You review the changes before anything happens, so it's always your code, your rules. And if you love working with others, Z makes collaboration effortless. Real-time editing, shared cursors, and even voice chat all baked right in. No extra setup, no awkward plugins. Sure, it's still growing. A few features are on the way, but what's here already? It's slick, powerful, and seriously addictive to use. So if you're a developer who values speed, focus, and a smarter workflow, ZAI is 100% worth checking out. Try it once and you might not go back. That's it, and thanks. I'll catch you all in the next video.